Thanks for reminding. Okay, cool. So as I was saying, let's cover the operators one by one. So first kind of operators that I want to talk about are arithmetic operators, right? So as the name suggests, for arithmetic operations, what are the common operations that you can think about that we do in maths between two numbers? What kind of operation do we always do in maths? Plus, minus, what else? Multiply and divide. So for multiply, we have star, and for divide, we have slash, right? So let's take two numbers and try to do all these operations one by one. So I'll take the first number in A. I took the second number in B. Now I'll try to do these operators one by one and print out the output. So I'll say print A plus B, print A minus B, print A into B, and print A by B. Okay. So let me just run this. I'll give two numbers. Let's say 5 and second number is 2. Can you predict the outputs? What would the outputs be if I give 5 and 2 as the number before I actually press enter? What would be the outputs? First would be A plus B. So 7, then A minus B, 3, 5 minus 2, right? So remember, first input is this. First thing goes into the first input. Then second input is this. So second thing goes into this input, right? So 5 plus 2, 7, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 into 2, 10. Then we have divide. So 5 by 2. So those who know C++ and Java might think it's like integer division, right? That is, when we do 5 by 2, we get 2 because we are dividing two integers. So we'll take only the integer part, right? But Python division is not integer division. So Python will do the division in the normal fashion, and 5 by 2 will be 2.5, right? So let me just press enter and let's see the output. So as you can see, we have got 7, 3, 10, 2.5. One more important thing, whenever we print, it ends with a new line, right? So it automatically puts the next output in the new line, right? So we got 2 first in the first line. Sorry, we got 7 in the first line, then 3, then 10, then 2.5. Does this output make sense to everyone? Yes or no? 7, 3, 10, 2.5. How we got all four? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. Okay, great. Apart from that, apart from these four common operators, there are a few more that I want to talk about. So I said there could be something known as integer division. So if you recall what was integer division, when we do 5 by 2, we just want this quotient part, this 2 part. So is that possible? So answer is yes, it is possible. For that, we have an operator double slash. So as soon as we say double slash, it automatically means that we are talking about integer form of division. Similarly, when we divide two numbers, there is quotient and remainder. If you want to just look at remainder, we have percentage or modulo operator. This is known as modulo operator as well. So modulo slash percent. And this operator is integer division. So let me just run this. Again, give 5 and 2. So as you can see, we have got this 2, which is 5 double division, right? Or integer division. And we have got the remainder, which is 1. Is everyone clear with these two operators as well? Double division for integer and percentage for modulo for remainder. Yes or no? So far. One last important arithmetic operator is power. So if we want to raise a to the power b, we can directly say star star b. So what would be 5 to the power 2? 5 to the power 2. Everyone? 25, right? So if you see, the last number would be 25 here. Whoa. What happened? 1 second. I think I'm giving multiple enters, I think. Yeah, 25. Does that make sense? Yes or no?